Tornadoes are air cyclones that connect storm clouds above and below the Earth's surface. Tornadoes are usually accompanied or preceded by severe thunderstorms and storm winds. This phenomenon can be considered a disaster because when it lasts long enough, it can destroy the buildings in its path. The wildest tornadoes can last as long as 4 hours and reach speeds of up to 480 km per hour, and the diameter of the vortex can also reach 2.4 kilometers. Tornadoes start from a collection of thunderstorms that widen and cause heavy rain, and this is what is called supercells. This can trigger condensation, which will release water, and then it becomes energy to push the air current upwards. The air that is pushed upwards can change direction and move very quickly. It only needs enough humidity to make the base of a large cloud develop, which will become the seed for the appearance of a tornado. When all this happens, the vortex is called a mesocycle. Starting to appear and pointing downwards, the mesocyclone will attract moist clouds until they become a wall of clouds that rotate until they touch the ground, and this is what is called a tornado. Tornadoes occur at the transition from the dry season to the rainy season, and vice versa when the transition from the rainy season to the dry season, or what is better known as transition. Apart from that, tornadoes can also occur during the rainy season where there is no rain for 1 to 3 days in a row, and tornadoes usually occur in the afternoon to evening.